Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you pause your booking calendar or your scheduling calendar in HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to pause your calendar for bookings in HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know this. Sometimes you get a big influx of customers. So maybe it's better to go ahead and pause your calendar while you organize your schedule. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and pause accepting appointments or schedules, here on the top menu, you're going to click on Tools. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Scheduler. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the call types that you have available. So go ahead and scroll through until you find the one you would like to pause. So for example, this one I have for a Chinese food phone coaching lesson. Now this little button up on the top right, you can see that it says active, but you need to go ahead and check that button until it says inactive. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up here. It went by pretty quick, but basically it's saying that this calendar is no longer going to be available, so it won't accept any more bookings. Session is no longer, it does not appear in files or templates, and clients cannot schedule a call. Now, if this is some sort of a coaching session that you're no longer going to offer ever again, you can also delete it. So to do that, you're going to click on Edit. Once you click on Edit, you're going to see the details and just scroll to the bottom and you'll see this red button, Delete Session. I usually don't delete session because there is a possibility I might offer that particular call again in the future. So that way, if I decide to offer that session again in the future, I don't have to recreate this. I can simply just come back in and publish it once again. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to pause your booking calendar inside HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.